will talk about one of the songs of consonant in English. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Dessi Andani and you can call me Dessi. I am a student at STKIP PGRI Banjarbaru. Okay, right now in this video, I will discuss about sound TH in English. The. Can you say the? Yeah, the sound of a consonant without sound is made by air and push your mouth. That air can create sound, so keep your lungs and mouth in the same position. Make sure you have air in your lungs and push the air. The. So this is the voice. If you wanna improve about this sound we can do exercise such as say some words and there's sound in the word. For example, think, salt, thirsty, thank you, and theory. Repeat. Think, thought, thirsty, thank you, and theory. I think it's enough to discuss about sounds. Before I close this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this video is useful and hope you like my video. See you and bye bye.